Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. My name is Nishi. How are you guys? So this is your reading. This is going to be valid through 31st of August. So the pattern of the reading is that we will first check into your general life. This is not going to be specific about finance, love, career or anything. And then once we are done with the general reading, we will also see for people who are in relationship or may or may not be talking to their partners, we'll see what their current partner's current feelings, what they're feeling about them. Okay, so let's get started, Libra. This is for Libra. मैंने डेक रिवर्स पकड़ी हुई थी. That doesn't matter. I mean, it's a oracle deck. Okay, so I have two messages for you. It's time to release negativity. Libra, if there is anything that is there in your life which is keeping you stuck or which is not going into any direction, which has a lot of negative energies around that, it's time that you release all of that. Have faith in your dreams. Wow, this is what the spirits are trying to tell you, Libra, that any dream that you have, okay, hold it, because you're going to achieve all your dreams. Okay, don't doubt on your dreams or don't doubt on yourself. Whoa, okay, that's beautiful. Let's get into the Work Your Light oracle and see what is there for you. This is for Libra. This is for Libra. This is for Libra. Okay. Leap. That is a very beautiful message, Libra. You go first, the universe will catch you. Wow. This is just like a Fool card in tarot, which talks about new beginnings, second chances, adventures, risk, going with the flow, moving forward. Libra, if all this while your energies have been very stuck, okay, if there is lack of movement, then the spirits are guiding you to take a first step and don't worry about the outcome, because the universe will take care of it if you have the courage to go first. Okay, the second card we have for you is your vibration is rising, you are the oracle. Wow, that is again a very beautiful message for you, Libra. I think for some of you, I feel like you guys have been stuck for a very long time, okay, and now some of you have actually started moving on, moving forward in your lives, and that is why your vibrations are raising, because stuck energies do not do any good to you, right? Soul searching is always a good idea, but for how long? I mean, you cannot be stuck for 5 years, 10 years and say I was soul searching, okay? That's not how it works. Okay, so let's see what tarot has for you, Libra. I think the camera is not placed properly. Let me see if I can make it a little better for you guys. Yeah, because I want you to see the cards, not see my face. Okay, this is for Libra. This is for Libra. This is for Libra. This is for Libra. What is my Libra releasing? Spirits, what is my Libra releasing? Next 15 days. What is my Libra releasing? This is for Libra. What are they releasing? This is for Libra. Okay, bottom of the deck we have Seven of Cups. I feel like some of you guys have multiple options or multiple opportunities. Okay, and now you are like, okay, let me push it through. Let me see. Let me go check out other options. Okay, I see you releasing deep emotions. Okay, you hold very very deep emotions for somebody, Libra, and you are now releasing it. And I think I got the same card in the same position for Gemini as well. So some of you might be dealing with a Gemini. If you haven't checked that reading already, go check that out, because there might be something for you in that reading. Okay, but I see you really pushing it through, Libra. I mean, you're really making efforts to make a move in your life, to move forward in your life and not be stuck anymore. Okay, I know emotions, love, and there are different sort of things that really can keep us stuck, but I'm seeing you really working hard towards it, towards really going and checking out and seeing other options that are available for you in the market, and not just be stuck on one thing anymore. Okay, so that is a very beautiful thing to do, Libra. What are my Libra getting into in next 15 days? What are they getting into? Spirits, what are they getting into? What is my Libra getting into? It just slipped from my hand. I'm not sure if I should take that card, but if it fell off my hand, then it means it was supposed to be there. Libra, what you're getting into is first leadership. You're getting into your power. Aries energy. Some of you might be having Aries, strong Aries in your chart. Okay, I see you no longer to be in that position where I'm feeling lonely, I'm feeling stuck, I feel so emotional. I'm not seeing you there anymore. Okay, at least not in next 15 days. I also feel like there could be some old friend or ex-lover, I'm not sure. I mean, some old person. Okay, I see this person reaching out to you for help. Somebody needs your help, Libra, here. This person, I feel like you may have not spoken to this person maybe for years, months, I don't know, but for a long time. Okay, you have not spoken to this person, and this person might come and reach out to you for help. Like, hey Libra, I need your help with money or with partnership. I need help with business. Okay, something related to material things. I mean, I'm not seeing love here, I'm seeing the material needs. Okay, like money, shelter, job, career. Okay, but you'll see someone reaching out to you in next 15 days for help. Okay, because they think that you are sitting at power, you can help me, and you have the ability to help them, basically. And if this is not a person, then this is just you not wanting to be in that position of misery, helplessness, loneliness. Okay, what you have your goals set in your mind, Libra. This is what I feel. Okay, I feel like you already know what is it that you want to do now, and you are very determined to do so. Okay, if you want to pursue your goal, there might be some people that you may have to leave behind. Okay, could be your loved ones, your dear ones, your family, your good friends, your lover. Okay, but I think you're determined to do so. Like, there is some goal in your mind, and you are now very determined to work on it. That if you pursue that goal, maybe some of your dear near ones will be left behind. But I think that I see you being okay with that, Libra. I see you just being very focused on the things that you want to do for yourself. Wow, I already feel the headache. So your energies are very heavy, Libra. This is for Libra. What is coming towards them next 15 days? Five of Cups reversed, Four of Wands, and we have Wheel of Fortune, Destiny card. Time is changing for you, Libra. Things are changing. You are undergoing some transformation. Your environment is changing. People around you are changing. The wheel is rotating for you in your favor. Expect a marriage proposal in next 15 days. Expect someone from your past finally coming towards you, talking to you, coming out of that non communication mode and finally reaching out to you. Expect a proposal of marriage, living relationship, engagement. And if this is not that, then you might get an opportunity with regards to property, buying a house, relocation. Okay, next 15 days you'll see something either with regards to property or relocation, or a proposal with regards to engagement, marriage and all those things. Okay, what's in the heart of my Libra? What's in the heart of my Libra? Spirits, what is in the heart of my Libra? Moon, emotions again. ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही आ गया है. Libra, that's your energy. Justice card. I feel like in your heart you have this feeling that there are multiple opportunities that came towards you and you missed it. Okay, there were multiple chances you missed in the past, and now you are really analyzing it's like a judgment day in your heart going on. Like, you live the entire life and then comes the judgment day, the last day. Okay, when you look back and see everything that you did, all the goods, all the bads, and then you finally try to analyze, try to bring the good and bad in different balances and see what have you done to your life. Okay, so I see you in that mode where you are now trying to analyze things. You are now looking back and see, okay, so I had so many opportunities and I missed many of them because I was being emotional about something, because I was stuck on something, because I thought that if I move, my loved ones will be left behind. There is a lot of thing going on in your heart, Libra, currently I'm seeing. Okay, but the good thing is that now you are in your own power, which is Libra, Justice card. Okay, I think some of you are manifesting new opportunities, new love, new promotion, new movement, relocation. Okay, some of you are very, very determined to move. Okay, no matter what leaves behind, but I am determined to move forward and progress in my life because I have been stuck all this while. So I definitely see that energy for you, Libra, now. Okay, which is so beautiful because life is all about progression, right? What is the outcome for my Libra spirits? What is the outcome? Gemini energy. King of Swords. Did I not tell you guys that some of you might be dealing with a Gemini, because I got the similar card there in that reading also. And here comes the Gemini. I mean, it could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is your energy as well. This is some air sign. Somebody who things have crumbled, ended. I feel like someone is coming towards you. I'll have to clarify this card to see who this person is. Okay, so let's clarify. Let's do the clarification. Someone air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Spirits, can you clarify the King of Swords? Who is this person? What is this? Is it energy or is the person? Whew. I feel like this is a new person. Or could be an old person as well. This person needs your help. I think this could be the same person here. I told you, right? Someone is reaching out towards you for help. This person needs your support. Either they want to support you or they want your support. This could be some sort of partnership as well, Libra. Maybe, you know, they want you to be a business partner with them. Yeah, see, Page of Pentacles again. This is not a love opportunity. I don't think it's about love. I think this is definitely about a money, business, Pentacles, new opportunities, career. Okay, I think someone might be reaching out to you. Could be Aries, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, this person might need your help because they're starting something, or they want to start something new with you. Okay, bottom of the deck also we have Three of Pentacles. This is definitely not love. This is material. This is about physical world. This is about money. Okay, so this is a very significant person, King of Swords, someone who is very truthful, practical. Okay, a little bit cold sometimes, not much emotions, very practical person. Okay, I mean, they talk business. Let's just put it that way. They talk business. Okay, so this person, expect a call from someone who would probably reach out to you for some sort of business opportunity or new work. Okay, and that person is different. The one I told you, right, who might need your help, that is a different person. This is a different person. Wow, Libra. I'm feeling my head is little heavy and I feel very sleepy now. I don't know if some of you feel tired. I'm not sure. Tired of working or tired of thinking, and then you're like, I'm so tired, let me go sleep. I'm seriously, I'm getting those kind of energies from your reading. Okay, let's get into your person. For people who might be in relationship, let's get into your person and see what are their current energies in general. This is for Libra's person. This is for Libra's person. This is for Libra's person. I'm actually feeling very calm now. I'm feeling like sleepy. I'm feeling very sleepy now, seriously. I'm not sure if some of you guys are doing meditation, because I'm really getting meditation kind of vibes, and now just the bell rang, so I think you might expect someone all of a sudden, like, you know what, you were not expecting them. Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Cups, Ten of Swords. This person knows that things have ended between the two of you, and it ended really badly. Okay, if not badly, then this ending has caused a lot of pain for both of you. I feel like this person is emotionally sitting very dissatisfied, so they might be doing all the work that they are supposed to do. You see these cards, we have Knight of Swords, we have Wheel of Fortune, we have Four of Cups. Okay, so they are all into work right now. They are, you know, grabbing all the opportunities. This person is very fast, okay, very fast in taking opportunities and, you know, working through things. This could also be a person from military. For some of you, I know it will not resonate with everybody, but could be someone from military, could be someone, could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, could be someone whose job is into talking, okay, talking, or some sort of military, navy, army forces. This person, I feel, could be little darker also in complexion, but they are quick-witted. They are very quick-witted. They are intelligent. Air sign. I feel like things are changing in their world, okay, things are changing within themselves. If they have been rude to you, Libra, in the past, I see that changing, okay. I think this person is undergoing a major realization here, especially when the Destiny card is there, okay. I feel like universe is offering them a lot of opportunities, but this person doesn't seem to be interested in them, okay, because I feel like they have this feeling that they lost you, and they have a very deep sense of regret about it, okay. This person could also be in that kind of job, you know, banking sector or insurance, client facing, basically, okay, any sector which is client facing, customer facing, sorry, customer facing or client facing, whatever. This person could be from that sector, okay. Let's see what is their next move towards Libra. Spirits, what is their next move towards Libra? Oh my god, look at that. Oh god, hold on. Okay, Six of Swords was actually reversed, so I'll take it reverse only. Six of Swords reversed, Magician, Death, Queen of Wands. I think this person sees you, Libra. This person sees you from far, okay. They manifest you. I don't see a movement here much, because Six of Swords is a movement card which is reversed in your case. So this person might not be moving towards you, but like I said, they are undergoing a major change, realization, transformation. This person is definitely changing, okay. They are going through a major change, major realization here. They see you from far, and let me tell you this, they are very attracted towards you, Libra. They think that you are very gorgeous. Now male female doesn't matter, I mean tarot is about energies. But this person sees you, this person manifests you, okay, heavy manifestation going on. But I don't see much movement here, honestly. Physical movement, no, I don't see that. What is their partner's current feelings towards Libra? Current feelings towards Libra. Okay, this person wants to build their empire with you, Libra. See, we have a Judgment card. We already had a Judgment card in this deck. Yeah, I mean, we had a Judgment card for you in your heart, Okay, so this person wants to build something really stable with you, Libra. This person wants a second chance with you, because like I said, they are undergoing a major realization. They are realizing that losing you was their biggest mistake, and now they are realizing everything. Yeah, they are realizing your worth basically. They know that you're so gorgeous, you're so financially independent, you're so, I mean, who wouldn't like to date a Libra? Come on. Air sign, very balanced, plus gorgeous. So they are now realizing, Libra, that they have missed an opportunity with you, and even though the universe is offering them with different opportunities, they are not focusing on that because they're more focused on you. This person is manifesting you, wanting to make a second chance, wanting a second chance with you, but not physically moving towards you. It's all energetic. Okay, I see energies here, not a physical movement. Outside, if you see this person, you might see like, okay, this person is all about work. They're working, they're grabbing all the opportunities, you know, moving from one place to another place, but inside in their heart they're sitting very dissatisfied. Wow. That's about your person, Libra. Let me pull some advice for you from Osho Zen, one of my favorite decks. It's a very powerful deck. This is for Libra. This is for Libra. This is for Libra. What do you advise? What do you advise? Silence. Silence. Your guidance is silence. Do meditation, because there is so much going on in your mind already, Libra. Activate your third eye and try to see things clearly. Okay. Sorry. The dream, the fighting, the rebel. Transformation, bottom of the deck. Like I said, you guys are changing, right? You guys are transforming. Also feeling a bit lonely, I feel. Okay. Your advice is the dream, the fighting, the rebel, which is only telling me, Libra, that it's time that you come out of your comfort zone. Okay. It's time to break the trends, basically. If your life goes as per patterns, as per trends, like कि यार मैं तो हमेशा यही करती हूँ ना, मैं तो यही करूँगी, या मैं तो यही खाती हूँ तो मैं तो यही खाऊँगी, ठीक है. If you have those kind of patterns in your life, it's time to change those patterns. It's time to basically explore the world, explore new things. Okay. Fight your demons, fight anything that is keeping you stuck, Libra. Get into the meditation mode. Listen to your higher self, because your spirit always keeps guiding you. Your intuition always keeps guiding you. The more active we are, the more we are able to listen to our intuition, right? You guys may be dreaming to be with someone. I'm getting that feeling with the dream card, that you guys may be having someone in your mind that you are dreaming of. I don't think this person is there in your life physically, but emotionally, energetically, yes, this person is present in your life, and you dream about them, you think about them. You really want to be with them, okay? Which is good, Libra, but then it's all in your dreams, right? Until things come into reality, it's not going to help you, basically, is what I'm saying. Okay. So fight your demons, fight any stuck negative energies that is there in your life, in your environment. Come out of your comfort zone and go for it. I mean, take a leap of faith, because that was your guidance also from the Work Your Light Oracle, right? Wow. I'm feeling actually very calm after this reading. I don't know why. When I started it, it was very heavy. But now I feel very calm, and I think I'll be sleeping after this reading now. I'm feeling very, very calm. Wow. Okay, Libra, I really hope you guys liked your reading and it resonated with you. If it does, let me know in the comment section below. It's a new channel, guys. I would really appreciate you liking, commenting and subscribing to the channel, because this will really help my channel grow and will keep me motivated to come up, with more videos for you. And I wish you all the very best for the rest of the month, and I will come back soon again next month with your bi-weekly readings. Okay, until then, please take care of yourself, and I love you guys. Bye.